SOLFLEX, MARKEE, Prime, Superior, Marble, Laminate, Granite, Tiles. What option should I pick? When it comes to picking kitchen, vanity, or bar countertops, there are a variety of options available in the market today. Different products available vary immensely, not only by cost, but by versatility and the overall qualities these countertops offer. So, if you want a solid surface countertop, which one is best? Well, it depends on the aesthetic you desire, your needs, wants, and how much work you're willing to do to maintain your countertops. Beauty, resistance, dimensions. There are about a dozen companies that sell solid surface countertops that are considered good to excellent, each with its range of colors, designs, patterns, and pricing structure. Of these, one stands out from the crowd. Olympus Marketing provides a variety of solid surface brands to continually satisfy market expectations. SOLFLEX, MARKEE Absolute Quartz, SOLFLEX Superior, Prime by SOLFLEX. For the following reasons, solid surfaces are a good choice for kitchen and bathroom countertops. Non-porous, hygienic, easy to clean, versatile, homogeneous. One of the most popular brands of solid surface is SOLFLEX Solid Surface. This brand proves that having a durable, hygienic, and aesthetically pleasing countertop doesn't have to be expensive. SOLFLEX Solid Surface also are budget-friendly, has coving features, customizable, repairable, seamless. In a hurry? Need to have your countertop installed as soon as possible? We got you! We have SOLFLEX Superior Solid Surface. SOLFLEX Superior Preformed Slab is made for speedy and efficient installation of standard-size countertops, sink tops, vanity tops, and many more. It is tougher and more durable than other solid surfaces because of its innovative fabrication process and fiberglass reinforced raw materials. This hybrid brand of solid surface has the following characteristics: quick and easy installation, lightweight, high heat resistance, readily available in top DIY stores nationwide, ideal for home developments and housing projects. When you want a kitchen countertop material that looks amazing, performs well, you may seek a quality material like those pricey brands. You can find all these qualities in one brand, except for the high price. Introducing MARKEE Absolute Quartz. MARKEE Absolute Quartz is a high-end quartz surface. It's elegant, versatile, and resistant to wear and scratches, making it ideal for household and commercial use. MARKEE is also known for being durable, more resistant to scratch and abrasion, stain, chemical, and bacteria resistant. Elegant design. It mimics the design of natural stone. Due to quartz hardness, a seamless application is impossible. Quartz requires different tools and equipment than other solid surfaces. Remodeling? Building your dream home? There are 101 alternatives and factors to consider. One is countertop material. Olympus Marketing also offers a pure acrylic solid surface brand. Prime 100% acrylic solid surface is the ideal countertop material composed of high-performance acrylic resin to enhance its appearance and function. This brand of countertop is also known for being sanitary and hygienic, eco-friendly, unlimited design possibilities, repairable, functional, can be used outdoor for plain colors only. Plain color slabs like pure white can withstand the damaging effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays, making them an ideal choice for a shaded outdoor solid surface application that is both creative and functional. A warranty is a great way to protect your countertops if you ever need them. MARKEE Absolute Quartz and Prime by SOLFLEX offers 10 years warranty against manufacturing defects. SOLFLEX, SOLFLEX Superior, MARKEE Absolute Quartz, and Prime by SOLFLEX 100% Acrylic are the 4 leading brands of solid surface in the market today. With so many brands of solid surface available, how do you know which one to choose for your project? Begin with narrowing down the choices. One thing to remember is that solid surfaces are neither easy to manufacture nor install. Therefore, it is very important to choose the right company to work with, from choosing colors to trusting their accredited installers for your project. Remember, the right company offers the right solid surface material. See, Olympus Marketing Incorporated has been providing the highest quality products to different industries in the country. We have been a trusted partner of leading developers, prominent contractors, and top designing firms in making their dream projects come to life. Our solid surface brands can be seen in various fast food chains and restaurants, highest rated hotels and resorts, executive offices, and all types of residences. But we are not stopping here. Introducing Am Olympus Lifestyle, a membership program designed for companies with similar goals as ours. Whether you are a well-known company owner or just a backyard installer, you are welcome to be our partner. Am Olympus Lifestyle starts by giving you exclusive discounts on selected products. As a member, you will also be receiving priority assistance from our product specialists for troubleshootings and technical support. Printed and premium collaterals are also prepared for you. Need that training to enhance your skills? As a member, you will have it. You will be our #1 priority. You will be the first to get news and various promotions, programs, and updates on product developments, among several others. You will get access to promotions that are exclusively available to members, invitations to company gatherings, a yearly rewards program, and many other benefits. Sounds good? Very good! The IAO program is the new big hit that empowers our loyal business partners to become more profitable and more competitive in the market. We work together in expanding our businesses in a constantly and aggressively growing industry and economy. We are not collecting members. We are bringing together business partners who can help change and strengthen the country's building and construction industry. In an industry that is constantly changing, we aim to build a strong partnership. Be our partners now. Grow your business with us. See Olympus Marketing Incorporated. Quality living made possible.